Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you are here. First thing I want to do is I want to say thank you to all the channel members. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. I want to say thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel, and thank you to anyone who just comes in to check out the knife and EDC content. I want to say thank you to my buddy, my local buddy, A to Z EDC. Go give him a follow on Instagram. He lets me check out a lot of knives, and he actually got this knife in today, and he is letting me kind of do an unboxing on it. And it is the Hawk in ADCRV 2, and it's from my friends at Very Good Knife Company. He saw this knife, it was in stock after I brought the Tradition Junior over to him. He really likes that knife. These guys make super cool knives, so I'm really interested in checking this out. I don't want to dox him. I'm going to pull out the knife. I'm going to pull out a card. And it looks like they've got a, you can scan the QR code. They got a warranty, lifetime warranty. Very Good Knife Co. LLC. With the QR code and their number, contact information if you want to screenshot that. Jacob makes a fantastic knife, and this is his Hawk. This is one of the knives that they currently have in stock. I love the way they do that sheath from a drip standpoint, leaving the back end open. He now looks like puts his logo on the sheath. Very Good Knife Company. Very cool. This one looks like it comes with a strap. I like the fact that he's got a lot of rivets there, or eyelets. I would put a ulti clip or something, because this would be a pocket dropper for me, but let's check it out. Ooh. Very oily. Guys, this is a flat grind. What we looked at before was a hollow grind. But what a beautiful, again, heavy like a tool. This has got a very sharp spine, which I like. This would blow a ferro rod up. I'm not going to strike one on it because it's not my knife, but I love that really sharp 90-degree spine. Feels fantastic in the hand. I love the way he chamfers the heel here. Plunge grind, just perfect. The Hawk ADCRV2 USA on that side of the blade. Very Good Knife Company on that side of the blade. Nice dark blue micarta handle. Feels just great in the hand. I mean, this is a chunky knife. This is just an unboxing, but I want y'all to see, when I say chunky, I mean it feels like a substantial tool. 5.55 ounces for a little fixed blade, which I think is just perfect. I mean, for a pocket dropper, or might carry good on your belt if you want to carry it scout, if you want to carry it on your side. Just what a bruiser. I mean, this knife would be great from a splinter digger to jabbing it through stuff to hardcore cutting. I mean, it's got a very nice thick, I'm going to say right about 1/4 inch blade stock that goes to a flat grind. Let's see how it cuts. Whoops. I'm wrestling with my paper pad over here. Wow, guys. We cut with the Tradition Junior, the hollow grind. Jacob's edges are next level sharp. I mean, what a wonderful cutter. Heel to point. Just a nice detail cuts out the yin yang. Fantastic knife. I'm a big fan. It is, I think, just the regular Hawk. I don't know if there's a little Hawk. I don't think I've seen a little Hawk, but I know a couple of these are in stock, unless A to Z picked up the last one. I doubt he did. I bet he's got a couple more in stock. It's a nice Wharncliffe blade. I like the mass of the knife. The weight does not throw me off at all. I like the sheath. The sheath looks like it might be, I don't know how old Lee's Tradition Jr. was. Probably not very. But I don't remember it having the branding on the sheath. The retention is very good. There's absolutely no rattle. You've got the end here open, so if you're out in the weather, rain's going to run right out of it. I would think this knife would be good as a camp knife, as an EDC knife, as a defensive knife, as a hunting knife, as a fishing knife, as you name it. I mean, again, survival knife, be a great knife. I love a Wharncliffe. This one is, by all means, very much a Wharncliffe, and just perfectly laid out. I don't know if it tells us what the hardware is. Just says blue on the handles. Designed by Gabriel, Last Huntsman Outdoors. This particular knife is. I didn't see that before. See if I can get it where it focuses on it. Not really. But it is designed by Gabriel, Last Huntsman Outdoors. So maybe that's a collaboration. And it was, again, go give A to Z EDC a follow. He made it possible for me to check it out. And he knew that I was really anxious, excited for him to have gotten it so I could check it out. And he was nice enough to bring it by when it came in today, which I think was really cool, very cool. But guys, give Very Good Knife Company a look. I have no affiliation with them except for the fact that Lee was nice enough to share. He's a viewer, one of their knives with me, and then I shared it with A to Z EDC. He went to their website, took a chance on this knife, which I will give you my full thoughts after I've carried it for a few days. I'm only going to carry it. I'm probably not going to do any hard cutting with it. Probably won't strike the ferro rod with it because, again, it's not my knife. But I can assure you that it will strike a ferro rod. And it's just an absolute banger. I think it's a sexy looking knife. I think it's a good size knife. It's going to be on the longer side of what I carry, 7 3/4 inches, which again, not too long. This is not a review, just an overview. But the blade's going to come in right over 3.5 inches with over a 3 1/4 inch cutting area, and you've got an inside grip of over 3 3/4. So I think this would fit any hand. A to Z is a big boy. I think it fits his hand great. I think he's really going to like it. I dig it. I'm a fan. I think shipped, this was under $200. I want to say it was somewhere right around, I think he told me 180 something shipped. But made in the USA, done by hand, done very well. I'm a fan. Very Good Knife Company. The Hawk. Unboxing. We'll take a closer look at it. Get back. Share my thoughts. My feedback. Guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If I pissed you off, give me a thumbs down. But please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Please go forward with love in your heart and choose debate over hate. I love you all. Peace.